Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire dishwasher water inlet tubing. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water inlet tubing. The water inlet tubing is what lets the water go from the water inlet valve up into the dishwasher tub. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it has a hole in it and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to get to the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. So we're going to open up the door, and then we can use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Now that we have the screws out, we can use the door to carefully pull the dishwasher out from the cabinet. We're going to pull it out just far enough so we can grab the frame and use that to pull it out. To get to the water inlet tubing, we're only going to pull it out far enough so we have access to this hose. If you can't pull your dishwasher out far enough to access the hose, your lines may be too short and you're going to have to go underneath the sink to disconnect them. First thing we're going to do is remove your dishwasher drain line, follow it up to wherever it goes and remove the clamp. We're going to use a 5/16 on ours. Make sure that when you take these off, that you have some towels around. Both the water line and the drain line might put some water out. Next thing we have to do is remove the fill line. It's usually connected to the hot water tap, and of course we already had that shut off and the power disconnected from earlier. But now we need to remove the line, and we can take it off with a 5/8 inch wrench. Now that we have access to the water inlet tubing, we're going to throw a towel down to catch any water that may come out. And if you have to, you can spin the clamp towards the outside so we can grab it with the pliers. Once you have access to it, we can grab our pliers and move the clamp up the tubing. Once you have the clamp moved up, we can reach in and pull the water inlet tubing off the water valve. Once you have it off, we can disconnect the other end. Same as the other end, we're going to turn this clamp out a little bit so we can grab it with the pliers. Then we can move it up the tubing and pull the tubing off the fitting that's on the side of the tub. Once you have it disconnected, we can remove the inlet tubing from the fixtures that hold it onto the tub. Here's the old water inlet tubing next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We do have to take the clamps off the old one and put them on the new one. So we're just going to take our pliers and transfer them over. Once you have the clamp swapped over, we can put it on the dishwasher. To put the new water inlet tubing on, we're going to press it onto the fitting on the side of the tub. Once you have it all the way down, we can grab our pliers and move the clamp down. Make sure you get a good seal. And then we can put it through the fittings on the side of the tub. Then we can reconnect it to the water valve. All you have to do is push it on. Once you have it pushed on all the way, we can grab our pliers and move the clamp down. Now that we have the new water inlet tubing installed, we can remove the towel. We can carefully push the dishwasher back into the cabinet. If you had to disconnect your lines underneath your sink, you can go underneath now and reconnect them. We can hook back up the lines. So we're going to hook up the water line and use our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down. Then we can hook up the drain line back up to the air gap. All you have to do is push it on and tighten down the clamp using your 5/16 nut driver or screwdriver. Now we can open up the dishwasher door and remount the dishwasher to the countertop. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Now that we have the dishwasher mounted, we can close the door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.